I love the fridge. It's full of food, but mommy doesn't let me open it. 2, 3, 4. Mommy, I want some cheese. Mommy, I want some cheese. Sweetie, don't open the fridge. Let me do it. Mommy, I want some orange juice. Mommy, I want some orange juice. Don't open the fridge. Let me do it. I want some milk. I want some milk. Mommy is not here. She is on the balcony. She is on the balcony. Mommy can't hear me now. Mommy can't hear me now. I don't want milk, I want cake. What are you doing? Nothing, I'm just playing, Mommy. Do you want some cake? No, no, I don't want any cake. I don't want any cake.